Let us look at one more backward induction example. Now, in this game, there are two players, player 1 and player 2, as you guys could see. Player 1 has two choices, X or Y, and player 2 has four choices, AA, BB, AB, and BA. Okay. Player 1 is moving first, and then looking at what player 1 has chosen, then player 2 has to make his choice. In backward induction example, we start from the end node and then we move to the penultimate node. When we start from the end node, we look for the best outcome player 2 would have chosen, or the last player would have chosen, in this case player 2. We will get rid of those nodes which are not chosen, and then we are left with a simple game, and we'll do this till the point we reach the initial node. So this is player 1 who is starting the game. He has a choice between X and Y. Supposedly player 1 chooses X, player 2 comes, now he has a choice between A and B. Similarly, if player 1 would have chosen Y, player 2 would have come and then choose A and B whatsoever. Now, there are three sub-games in this. This is sub-game 1, this is sub-game 2, and this is sub-game 3. That is the entire game. Okay, so in sub-game 1, so this is drawn here, player 2 is going to make a decision. Player 2 has to make a choice between the payoff of 2 and 4 here. So naturally he'll choose 4. That means he will choose B. So you will get rid of this node. Let us look at the another subgame. Now player 2 has to make a choice between this 5 and this 3. Definitely he will choose 5. Let me write just A and B here. So he will choose A. Okay, so he'll be choosing A. So you will get rid of this node now, or this branch whatsoever. Then what is it that you will have is, for player 1, choices are a little simpler then, because what he is going to do, let me just put this here. This is player 1. Here it is X, it is Y here. Then 2 would have made its decision. This is 2. From the first sub game, he has chosen B, which is 4, 4. From the another sub game, he has chosen A, which is 3, 5. Now is the time for player 1 to make a decision. He has to make a decision from 4 and 3. So he will definitely pick up 4. That means he will pick up X. So this is the equilibrium outcome. And this equilibrium backward induction outcome is, let me write it for you guys, backward induction outcome is the strategy of X and the equilibrium strategy of, strategy of 1, equilibrium strategy of 1 and equilibrium strategy of 2. Similarly, backward induction equilibrium is equilibrium strategy of 1 and equilibrium strategy of 2, which is what? From the first sub game he has chosen B, and from the second sub game he has chosen A, so it is BA. Got this? So this was the another example of backward induction.